Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. It's the end of February and it's that time to do our reveal or debut on our small scale group build that's hosted by Brian at BG's Model Workshop and Sean over at the Scale Model Car channel. As you know, I did the 32nd scale 32 Ford and also a 1/64th scale 32 Ford Roadster. I'm going to save that one another day or two. I've got one more thing I'm going to add to it, but I do want to go ahead and let you see the 32nd scale stock Ford. Stick around, we'll take a look. Hey guys, before the reveal, I want to give a big shout out and a big thanks to Brian and Sean for hosting this. It was a refreshing little getaway to do a small scale like this, and a couple of them in my case, and just really a lot of fun, So let's take a quick look at just a little bit of the construction and a couple of slides, and then we'll get to the reveal. Okay guys, here is my AMT 1932 Ford Coupe. This is painted in all enamels, Testors enamels. You've got the Testors dark blue, Testors gloss black, Testors light blue. It's very similar to the box art. For some reason that just struck me and I really like that. I did cut the cowl vent open. If y'all know me, you know I'm going to do that. Added some screen wire, as you can see in this picture a little bit closer. The only thing chrome that I redid, I kind of like the kit chrome on this one, but the horn had a huge injection pin mark on it. I had to sand that off and redo it, so I re-chromed it. But everything else looked pretty to scale. I kind of liked it. This top section up here, I actually did a mixture of Tamiya rubber XF85 along with a little XF69 NATO black to do the roof. I think that's supposed to be actually a canvas type thing. The running boards, the step to the rumble seat, and the tires themselves were painted in the Tamiya XF85 rubber, and I think they really turned out well. I wasn't sure what I was going to do at first about the tires because they're the two-piece plastic tires, but I just brush painted those on there and then weathered them up a little bit, and as you can see, they turned out really nicely. But for a little scale car, if you're looking for something to break your modeling funk and get you back into it, easy to do. A quick little build, but it yields a great little result. Put a California tag on it, and that was kind of in honor of my mother who grew up in Los Angeles for a lot of her younger years. And this was just a really, again, fun build. You may remember the 32 Roadster I'm working on. I had two of these that I picked up at a show, identical. They're McDonald's Happy Meal toys, and I've gutted one and got it in the rework stage. It's really finished. I've got one or two little things I want to go back and add to it, but I think you'll be surprised when I set these two side by side, and I may do that tomorrow evening, and it may be Monday, but it'll be done by the deadline for sure. Guys, thank you so much. This was a really fun build. Again, Brian, Sean, thank you for putting this one up. I'm going to have to stop taking these challenges, though. I've got so much on my list to get done this year, and I'm not going to get them done if I keep jumping on these challenges. I do have the one from Kim at Kim's Model Car or Custom Workshop in Denmark that celebrates the 90th birthday of the 32 Ford, so I'm going to be doing a 25th scale in that, and other than that, I am going to start on one of the projects that I listed earlier, probably Tuesday. But again, thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. And God bless, guys. I will see you in the next video.